Welcome back, my dear student. So in this lecture, I hope to prevent many headaches. And if you already have this headache, I hope to make it better. All right, so what in the world am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about errors. All right, when you launch online, most of the time your errors are going to be off. So your page is going to be mainly blank and it's not going to say anything. All right, that is a headache. That's a big headache. Okay, and you learn that the hard way sometimes. But like I said, I want to prevent that from happening to some of you and offer a solution. For GoDaddy, it's really easy, but for other hosting providers out there, you are going to have to probably put this in every page. And when I'm talking about put this, I'm referring to a function that will allow you to see your errors on that page. For example, I'm gonna actually show you this. These are PHP functions that we can use to turn errors on. All right, you can put this function here on every page and that will show you all the errors. Now you can actually look into it a little more if you do a little Google search. Stack Overflow is a really good website, all right, to show you some of the things that other developers are using. All right, you can also go to the php.net website and get information about those functions. So you can put that in every single page that you want to see errors, but that could be annoying, right? But again, that's how you do it. The second way of doing it, all right, if you're using GoDaddy, or maybe if you're using another hosting provider, because I really don't know if it works in other hosting providers, is to basically put a file in your root directory in your public_HTML where your web is, web application is, right? You create this file with called php.ini. This has the same name as the original file in our localhost. And then inside there, what you do is you place the code right here. You place this code, error_reporting equals EO. This is a constant, so it has to be capital, and you have to have the underscore there. And then display errors on. All right, once you do that, then you're going to be able to see errors there. Now, you got to wait a couple minutes for that to actually work. So give it a couple minutes, an hour or two or something like that. Sometimes within 5 or 10 minutes is working, just in case. All right. So again, if you have another hosting provider besides GoDaddy, check with them and ask them how in the world can you have access to php.ini, or how can you edit the configurations of your server so that you can see errors on PHP. Because if we don't see errors, man, when you are creating the application, you're going to have a really big headache. But anyway, hopefully this will save you from a headache, or will make yours better. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.